what should you do in the event your property is damaged by a storm or a fire or a pipe burst? Well, the first thing you need to do is, of course, secure the property and make sure there's no more additional damages. You need to what they call mitigate your loss. In other words, the insurance company requires you, and it makes sense, is that if you've got a hole in your roof, you need to put a tarp on there. If you've got a broken window, you need to put a board up, or if you've got a pipe burst, you need to get that fixed. Those are the common sense things you need to do. But once you get things situated, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and call your insurance company. You might say, well, I don't know where my insurance policy is, or whatever it may be. It's very simple. Just go ahead and get on the internet and just Google insurance claim, Allstate, State Farm, or whoever it is, and there's going to be a toll-free number there. You need to give them a call. But before you give them a call, you need to be prepared to have this conversation with the insurance company. They're going to want to know what the areas of your damage is, as well as potentially a list of what items are damaged. So get organized, get a notepad, get a pen, make that phone call. When you talk to the adjuster on the phone, get that person's name. They're going to give you a claim number, and just keep yourself organized. The insurance company at that point is going to schedule a time to send an adjuster. You need to cooperate with the adjuster. They're going to ask you to identify what areas of damages you may have, and any photographs you may have taken or videos, present that. You need to cooperate with your insurance company. And after they come out and inspect your property, the insurance company has a deadline of 30 days or less to provide a copy of a report of the damages that they found. And at that point, you've got a claim decision. And as to whether or not you've been treated fairly, then at that point, you're going to want to get a free claim check here with the Moore Law Firm. And we can compare what the insurance company found, what you believe that they missed, and we can determine whether or not the insurance company owes you money. But to do that, you need to give us a call here at the Moore Law Firm at the number below, and we'll be glad to talk to you about how to get your claim going, as to whether or not you need to get a free claim check. Thank you, and talk to you soon.